Korean bank is strict opening new accounts. You need to have a clear reason to make one. In this video, I'm going to tell about types of bank accounts and demonstrate conversation at bank. As well as you need to prepare required documents in order to prove your purpose. I will explain about them later in this video. 보통 예금 통장은 입출금이 자유로우며 공과금 납부 용도로 사용할 수 있습니다. 정기적금 통장은 정해진 기간 동안 매달 일정 금액을 예치합니다. 회사에서 거래하는 은행 계좌가 없을 경우 신규 발급 시 필요한 통장입니다. 안녕하세요. 통장 하나 만들려고 합니다. 어떤 종류의 통장을 원하시나요? 급여 통장이요. 네, 신분증하고 증빙서류는 가져오셨나요? 네, 여기 있습니다. 잠시만요. 화면을 보시고 체크란에 작성해 주세요. 다 하셨으면 확인 버튼 눌러주세요. 제가 다 맞게 작성했나요? 네, 맞습니다. 맨 밑에 확인 버튼 눌러주세요. 인터넷 뱅킹 체크카드 신청하실 건가요? 네, 부탁드립니다. This is it. Simple, right? Once you see a bank teller, the person is going to help you and give the direction how to fill up the form. It is simple form. There are a bunch of words, but you don't have to read all of them. The teller is going to point which question you need to check, and only basic information you will get to write, such as address, your name, phone number, and your sign. Step 1. If this is your first time to register web banking, you must go to talk with a bank teller. Step 2. Tell them you want to join online banking service. Step 3. They're going to ask you to fill some form. Number 4. After the completion of the application, double check the time limits of registering online, as well as they will give you OPT card, which is super important when you're using online service. Step 5. There are a bunch of security certification to download. Therefore, recommend using reliable computer. Step 6. While you are registering, it will require the serial number of your OPT. Number 7. After finishing installing a bunch of programs, you will have a personal security certification, which is required every time when you use. Number 8. You can send your security certification onto your phone using the bank website. Number 9. Now you can use it. Every time you want to transfer money, you need your security certification log in and then input security code from your OPT card.